Understanding restoration work, a journey through renewal and repair. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey to explore the depths of the phrase, restoration work. This is a term you might encounter in various contexts, from art and architecture to ecology and technology. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also offer you insights into how things are preserved and revitalized. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers of meaning behind restoration work. Restoration work refers to the process of repairing, renovating, or returning something to its original condition or better. This work is undertaken to preserve the value, structure, and beauty of objects, buildings, or natural habitats. It involves a meticulous approach to detail and care, ensuring that the original character and features are maintained while enhancing the subject's longevity and functionality. Historical buildings and monuments. In this realm, restoration work focuses on preserving and repairing structures with historical significance. It involves careful planning to maintain the architectural integrity and historical value of the buildings. Art and artifacts. Art restoration is a delicate process that demands an in-depth understanding of materials and artistic techniques. Professionals work tirelessly to repair damages and preserve the original essence of the artwork. Natural habitats. Restoration work in natural habitats aims to revive ecosystems that have been damaged by human activity or natural disasters. This involves reintroducing native species, removing invasive species, and rehabilitating land and water sources. Restoration work plays a crucial role in cultural preservation, environmental conservation, and historical education. It ensures that future generations have access to the rich heritage of the past. Furthermore, it contributes to the sustainability of our planet by rehabilitating and preserving natural habitats. We hope this journey through the world of restoration work has been enlightening. This term encapsulates a deep respect for preserving the past and maintaining the essence of our cultural, natural, and artistic heritage. Whether it's the meticulous repair of a centuries-old painting or the careful rejuvenation of a damaged ecosystem, restoration work reminds us of the continuous effort required to cherish and protect the treasures of our world. Thank you for joining us, and may your path be filled with learning and appreciation for the art of restoration.